Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies, and this is Pallavi. And if you're new to this channel, I share healthy, tasty and easy recipes. And if you want to watch similar kind of recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you're the first one to know the videos that I upload every week. So today I'm here with yet another chicken curry recipe. It's a semi-gravy recipe, very easy and quick to make. You can have it steamed rice and roti, and you can see how amazing it's looking. So if you want to know how to make this recipe, stay tuned until the end of this video. So let's get started. So firstly, I've taken 3/4 kg of skinless chicken, washed it well and marinated it with salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each of garam masala powder, curry powder, red chili powder and ginger garlic paste. So we'll leave this aside for at least 2 hours. If you don't have time, you can do it for half an hour as well. So firstly, we have to make a curry paste. So take a pan, add a little bit of oil and 3 chopped onions, medium size. We have to cook this, so cover it with a lid. We don't have to fry it. So keep stirring it so that it cooks on all the sides. So once I have removed the lid, I can see that the onions are ready. You can see all the onions have cooked on all the sides. They have not burned, they have not fried. So we'll switch off the gas stove and keep those onions aside until they are cooled down. So we have to make a paste. So take a mixer jar, add 3 fresh green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of curry powder or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per your taste. Remember, we have already marinated the chicken with salt, so accordingly add salt. And next is coriander powder or dhania powder, so here we'll also be adding here 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the onions which we have cooked, that also will add. And now we have to make a coarse paste of the curry paste. Now taking the same pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and we'll fry this curry paste until it is nice and brown and not golden brown, but changes its color, and also the water from the curry paste evaporates and it comes a little closer. So keep stirring it and frying it in low flame. Now you can see that the curry paste have become a little closer and the color has also changed. So now at this point of time, I'll be adding here water. It's a small glass of water that I'm using. So this is the consistency that we want. So according to that, you can add the water. That it should not be very watery. So once it starts bubbling up, you can add curry leaves if you have. And finally, the chicken that we have marinated for at least 2 hours. So we'll cook this chicken in this curry paste until it releases a little bit of oil and all the water from the chicken has also evaporated. So we'll not be covering it with a lid at this stage. Mix all this well. In low flame, let us allow the chicken to cook. Keep stirring it as well. Now we'll cover it with a lid. You can see that the oil from the chicken started releasing. So keep stirring and we will allow the chicken to cook until it is nice and soft and the oil from the chicken starts getting separated. You can see that already the oil has started separating. So at this point of time, check the taste, whether you have to add salt or any other masala, that is garam masala or red chili powder. Since I found it the salt was less, I've added a little bit of salt, and also garam masala powder, I found that it was little less, so I've added a pinch of garam masala powder and mix it well. So We'll cover it with a lid until the chicken is nice and soft and you can see the oil as well. So I've removed the lid and mix all this well. If you want the gravy to be as it is, you can leave it once the chicken is cooked. And now the chicken curry is ready. It's amazingly tasty and looks good as well. So if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share this recipe with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. God bless.